Hello my dear kids. Today's our topic is freehand drawings. For that we are going to draw two drawings, a bird and a butterfly. So I have divided this page into two. In the center I have drawn a line. You have to draw proper lines for giving the headings. And now we will start drawing a bird. It's a freehand drawing, so you have to roughly draw lines with pencil and then directly you have to color it with crayons. I've drawn a circle for head and an oval shape to show its body. And drawing wings. This is its tail. We'll draw simple eyes, two small circles and its beak. I am showing a triangle for beak. Okay. Now I am drawing a butterfly. Small circle. And these are its eyes. A smiling butterfly. Okay. So our drawing is ready. Now we will color it with crayons. I am using a yellow color. You can use any color of your choice to color a bird. I am going to use it for this body, and for wings I will be using red. And this will be a lighter portion of its body, so I am using a pink color here. You can select any colors of your choice. You have to first draw the outlines with crayons only, and then you can fill up the colors inside, so it will be easier and it will look neat. I'm done with the bird. Now I will color the butterfly in the same manner. First you have to draw the outlines with crayons only, and then you have to fill up the colors inside. So this is how it looks finally. These butterfly circles also I have colored it with sharpened crayon only. Okay, thank you.